Do you struggle with acne, bloating, and intense cravings? Well, I'm about to show you the best 3 ways to balance your gut. But before I do that, I need you to subscribe to get results fast. Whatever your goals are, it's all here on my channel, so check it out. And one of the most important things to do is to increase your sleep. Not sleeping enough can disrupt the gut bacteria in your gut microbiome by creating an imbalance between good and bad bacteria. This will lead to weight gain later on because of the encouragement to overindulge from bad bacteria. So your best bet is to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep for the average adult. Not only is sleep super important for a balanced gut, but so is changing up your overall diet. Which leads me into my next point, making food swaps. Making food swaps can help eliminate the bad bacteria and help grow the good bacteria. Some examples of these food swaps could look like whole fruit instead of fruit juice, oatmeal instead of cereal, and brown rice over white rice. Getting enough sleep and changing up what you're eating is super important, but the last most important tip is eating fermented foods. A surplus of fermented foods includes more diversity for your gut to thrive off of, like probiotics. These probiotics can improve digestion and prevent bloating and constipation, making weight loss easier. All these tips can be effective for a very balanced gut, but if you're not sure on how to see results from your workout routines, then you need to check out my latest video on the 3 best exercises to tone up your whole body fast. Make sure to click the link on the screen to access this now.